Today on Make It Bake It, we're going to make some cranberry orange scones for the perfect breakfast treat. You can find this recipe on MakeItBakeItShow.com. Start by adding the sorghum flour, the tapioca starch, the potato starch, sugar, baking powder, baking soda, then add some xanthan gum, or you can use cellulose, kosher salt, and lastly the zest of 1 orange. Then whisk together all of the dry ingredients. Add the butter to your bowl of dry ingredients, and using a pastry cutter, your fingers, or 2 forks, you need to cut the butter into the dry ingredients until you have a coarse meal. In a separate bowl, add the egg and the yogurt and whisk it together. Into the dry ingredients, add the cranberries and then add your egg and yogurt mixture. Then stir it all up until it eventually comes together into one ball. You might need to knead it a couple times to get it to come together. Dust your surface with a little bit of flour, turn your dough out onto it, and pat it into about an 8-inch circle. Next, cut that dough into 8 equal portions. In a separate bowl, you're going to make an egg wash. So crack an egg into there and put 1 tablespoon of water. And then whisk it up together until it's all combined. Next, brush that on top of the scones. Sprinkle the scones with a little bit of granulated sugar. Place the scones onto your baking pan that's either been sprayed with oil or has parchment paper. Bake in a 375-degree oven for 20 minutes or until they are nice and golden brown. Thanks for watching today's video. If you liked it, we'd love to hear from you. Leave a comment for us, like the video, and subscribe. If you want to be notified when we actually put a video out, then hit the bell down below. We also have other breakfast recipes. You can try our waffle recipe or our biscuit recipe, and you'll be all set for breakfast. So, see you next time. Ciao!